my dear children. How are you all? Yes, I hope you all are fit and fine. I hope you have seen my previous video. It was about heavy and light, counting 101 to 200, and yes, what comes between. We will start our class with prayer. All of you please join your hands, close your eyes and repeat after me. Enlighten our mind, O Lord, help us to practice what will be taught and to retain what we study so that we may become wiser and better. Amen. This is our 16th lesson and I hope you have watched my previous video and completed the given homework. Today we will learn about cylindrical shape, number names 1 to 20 in cursive writing once again. What comes between? Both the words we will do in our maths notebook. Okay? Now we will start with our first topic, that is cylinder shape. Okay, cylinder shape means round जैसा होता है. Now all of you see, what is the shape of this flask? Cylinder shape. See, ये बिल्कुल round है. Okay, जो round shape में होते हैं वो cylinder, उसको shape को बोलते हैं cylinder shape. Okay, now see, what is the shape of this? Cylinder shape. See, full round. Okay. Now, what is the shape of this battery? Cylinder shape, full round. What is the shape of this bottle? Cylinder shape, round. Okay. What is the shape of this glass? Cylinder shape. What is the shape of this chalk? Yes, very good. Cylinder shape. What is the shape of this crayon? Very good. Cylinder shape. And what is the shape of this Fevicol? Cylinder shape. Now let's learn more about cylinder shape with Mr. Cylinder.
When you drink water from a glass tumbler, think of me. I am a cylinder, right? Glass tumblers are shaped like a cylinder. See this and this. Both these curved objects put together around me form a cylinder. I am round and can be rolled. As long as I am round and three-dimensional, I will remain a cylinder, even if I am pulled from the top or sideways. A cylinder is a three-dimensional shape. It is a solid object that has a circular base and a height. A candle is cylindrical. That mug of steaming coffee and the water bottle too are cylindrical. There! Now I hope you know all about cylinders. There! Now I hope you know all about cylinders.
I hope you understood the topic cylinder shape. Okay children, now we will revise number names 1 to 20. Okay, once again. Now 1. First letter should be capital. Earlier we did in small letter ना, वो इसलिए मैम ने कराया था क्योंकि तब हम न्यू कर्सिव सीख रहे थे. लेकिन फर्स्ट लेटर ऑलवेज इन कैपिटल लेटर. ओके, तो दिस वन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आपको ऐसे ही करना है. एग्जाम में भी यू विल डू लाइक दिस ओनली. ओके, नाउ लुक हियर एवरीवन, लुक हियर. O N E, O N E, 1. T W O TWO 2. 3. THREE 3. See, first letter should be capital, okay? 4. F. See, P का टमी नहीं कटता है, F का टमी कटता है, ओके? डोंट बी कंफ्यूज नहीं होना आप, ओके? FOUR 4. Now 5. FIVE 5. Okay? See, first letter should be capital. Okay? Now 6. What is the spelling of 6? SIX 6. S capital SIX 6. Okay? Now next 7. SEVEN 7. 8. EIGHT 8. EIGHT 8. 9. Capital N INE 9. 10. Capital T EN 10. Now 11. Tell me the spelling of 11. ELEVEN. Yes, 11. Now all of you repeat after me. ELEVEN. Now capital E. ELEVEN. 11. Okay? Okay? आपको भी बिल्कुल ऐसे ही करना है नोटबुक में, ओके? जैसे मैम आपको सिखा रही है. नाउ 12. व्हाट इज द स्पेलिंग ऑफ 12? TWELVE 12. रिपीट आफ्टर मी. TWELVE. Yes, 12. TWELVE 12. Okay? Now 13. THIRTEEN 13. First letter capital T HIRTEEN 13. Okay? Now next number is 14. What is the spelling of 4? FOUR 4 and TEEN teen 14. Okay? FOUR 14. 14. Now next number after 14 15. क्या बताया था मैम ने? 2F के बीच में 1 आए. ओके? कैपिटल F IF TEEN 15. Okay? FIF TEEN 15. Now next one is 16. What is the spelling of 6? SIX 6. SIX TEEN 16. Next one is 17. Capital S EVEN TEEN 17. Okay? Now next one is 18. First letter should be, yes, capital EIGHTEEN 18. Next is 19. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. 19. N-I-N-E, 9. T-E-E-N, 19. Now, next one is 20. What is the spelling of 20? Repeat after me. T-W-E. Yes, T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. Okay. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. Okay, again. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. Okay. Now all of you please take out your maths notebook, pencil. We will do number names in our maths notebook. Last time we did in small letters. But आपको पता है ना first letter should be capital. वो तो आप first time cursive लिख रहे थे. That is why मैम ने आपको पहले small letter में सिखाया था. Now we will do in capital letter. First letter should be capital. Okay? Okay. First write down 16th lesson CW classwork. First letter should be capital. Okay? N-U-M-B-E-R. Number. Names 1 to 20. Okay? Please write down in cursive. Okay? Now 1. First letter should be capital. O-N-E-1. T capital. T-W-O 2. 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. F-O-U-R 4. Capital F, F-I-V-E 5. 6. Capital S, S-I-X 6. S-E-V-E-N 7. E-I-G-H-T 8. Capital 9, N-I-N-E 9. Capital N, okay? 10. T capital T-E-N 10. Now next one is 11. Again E should be capital E-L-E-V-E-N 11. T-W-E-L-V-E 12. T में कभी भी टमी कटा नहीं होता, F का टमी कटा होता है. ओके, डोंट बी कंफ्यूज. T में टमी नहीं कटेगा, F का कटेगा. ओके. 12. 13. T कैपिटल T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N 13. F. अब ये देखो F आ गया, टमी कट गया. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N 14. 15. अगेन F कैपिटल, टमी काटो. F-I-F-T-E-E-N 15. 16. First letter should be capital S-I-X-T-E-E-N 16. 17. S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N 17. 18. कैपिटल ई बनाइए, E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N 18. 19. Capital N, N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N 19. 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. Okay, this classwork is done. Same you have to do in homework also. Okay, write down HW homework 16th lesson एंड राइट डाउन प्लीज डेट है, डेट ऑल्सो. जिस दिन भी आप वर्क करो उस दिन का डेट डालना. ओके, राइट डाउन डेट ऑल्सो. हेडिंग नंबर नेम्स 1 to 20 एंड प्लीज फर्स्ट लेटर शुड बी कैपिटल. ओके, अब हम सब फर्स्ट लेटर हमेशा कैपिटल होता है, ये आपको याद रखना है. ओके, सेम दिस वर्क यू हैव टू डू एज अ होमवर्क ऑल्सो. नाउ वी विल डू अवर लास्ट टॉपिक, दैट इज बिटवीन. डू यू रिमेंबर वी डिड इन प्रीवियस क्लास? यस, बिटवीन मीन्स बीच में. यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट बिटवीन नंबर. ओके, बिटवीन वाला नंबर आपको फाइंड आउट करना है. ओके, नाउ ऑल ऑफ यू प्लीज लुक हियर. 46-48. Now tell me 46 and 48. Which number come between? Very nice. 47. Very good. Now 12-14. Which number? Very nice. 13. Okay. 73-75. Now which number? इन दोनों के बिटवीन कौन सा नंबर आएगा? आप एक और इजी मेथड है, मैम ने क्या बताया था? फर्स्ट यू राइट 7 एज इट इज. नाउ काउंट करो 1 2 3 4. यस, 73 74 75. वेरी गुड. नाउ 38-40. विच नंबर आफ्टर 38? Very nice. 39. 98-100. Which number? Very good. 99. I hope you understood. Very good. Now please take out your maths notebook and pencil. We will do what comes between in our maths notebook. Okay, now let's start our work in maths notebook. Okay, 16 lesson. Write down CW classwork here. Heading what comes between. Okay, now if you have a color pencil, please do it with color pencil. If you have no color pencil, do with your pencil. Okay, now 46 after 46 47. इन दोनों नंबर के बीच में बिटवीन हुआ कौन सा नंबर हुआ हमारा? 47. ओके, 12 and 14. टेल मी विच नंबर? यस, 13. 73 75. फर्स्ट यू राइट हियर 7 1 2 3 4. 73 74 75. 38-40. Tell the number. Which one? Which number? Yes, 39. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now write 9 as it is here. Count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 98 99 100. Our classwork is finished. Okay, now I am giving you a homework. Please do it properly. Okay children, I hope you understood all the topics which we have done today. Okay, and parents, please make sure your what should do classwork and homework properly in the maths notebook and in book. Thanks for watching this educational video. Goodbye, take care, keep smiling.